Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to play Assetto Corsa in VR without a wheel. It's easier than you might think to get started with an immersive racing experience. First, make sure your VR headset is fully set up and calibrated for accurate tracking. You'll be using either a gamepad or your keyboard for all vehicle controls. Also, double-check that Assetto Corsa is installed and updated. This guide will help you jump into the virtual cockpit quickly and enjoy the thrill of the race. Now let's configure your controls. Head into the Controls section from the main menu. Here, you'll select your input device, whether it's a gamepad or your keyboard. Carefully assign key actions like steering, throttle, and brake to buttons that feel natural to you. Don't forget to fine-tune the sensitivity and dead zone settings. A small dead zone, perhaps around 5%, can prevent accidental inputs and give you much more precise control over your vehicle. To ensure a smooth and comfortable VR experience, optimizing your settings is key. Go to the video and VR sections in the game options. You'll want to lower demanding graphic settings, such as shadows, reflections, and post-processing effects. If you're still facing performance hiccups, try reducing the pixel density or render resolution slightly. The goal is to maintain a consistent frame rate, ideally around 90 frames per second, to prevent motion sickness and enhance immersion. Finally, let's enhance your immersion. Your VR headset's head tracking allows you to naturally look around the cockpit, adding a layer of realism. Feel free to experiment with the different in-game camera views. Some drivers prefer a closer perspective, while others like a wider field of view. Resting your hands on a stable surface can also provide a more grounded sensation. Don't hesitate to try out various car types and tracks to find your favorites and truly enjoy the virtual racing world.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.